Hey everyone, and welcome back to our super fun channel. Are you ready for some gooey, stretchy, sparkly fun? Because today, we're diving into the amazing world of slime. Look at all these incredible colors we have. We've got glittery pink, galaxy purple, and even glow-in-the-dark green. It's going to be an epic slime adventure. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our awesome videos. We have so much fun planned, and we want you to be a part of it. Are you ready? Let's get slimy. First up, let's explore this amazing glittery pink slime. Wow, feel how soft and stretchy it is? It's like stretching a piece of bubble gum, but way more sparkly. Let's see how far we can stretch it. Whoa, look at that! It's almost as long as my arm. The little glitter pieces inside are shining like tiny diamonds. It's so pretty. Now, let's try making some bubbles. We'll stretch it out flat, then fold it over really fast to trap the air inside. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pop! Did you hear that? That was a perfect slime pop. Making slime bubbles is one of my favorite things to do. It's all about trapping air. When we stretch the slime thin, it creates a pocket, and when we fold it, the air gets caught inside, making that super satisfying popping sound. Let's try it again. Stretch, fold, and pop. So cool. Now, let's move on to this incredible galaxy purple slime. It's so dark and mysterious, with swirls of blue and silver glitter, just like a real galaxy in outer space. This one feels a little different. It's a bit thicker. Let's see what happens when we poke it. It makes such a great sound, doesn't it? This is called a clear slime base with glitter mixed in, which gives it this unique texture. I wonder what kind of shapes we can make with this one. Let's try to make a slime swirl, like a soft-serve ice cream cone. We just hold it up and let it drip down while twisting it. Look at that perfect purple swirl. It's like a magical wizard's potion. You can make all sorts of things with your imagination, maybe a snake or a flat pizza. Slime is like playing with magical, stretchy dough. Let's do a little science experiment. What do you think will happen if we mix a little bit of the pink slime with our purple galaxy slime? Let's find out. Science is all about asking questions and discovering the answers. Let's take a small piece of the pink and a small piece of the purple. Now, let's squish them together. Look at that! The colors are starting to swirl together, creating a brand new color. It's like a beautiful sunset with pink and purple clouds. This is called color mixing. Just like when you mix red and blue paint to get purple, we can mix different colored slimes to create new, unique shades. Our new slime is now a beautiful lavender color with 2 kinds of glitter. It's a custom creation. This is so much fun. I could mix colors all day. Next, it's time for something really special. Are you ready for this? Glow-in-the-dark green slime. This slime is amazing. It looks like a normal neon green slime in the light, but it has a secret. It's made with a special non-toxic powder that absorbs light. Let's charge it up by holding it under the lamp for a few seconds. We're giving it energy, just like a battery. Now, let's turn off the lights and see the magic happen. Wow, look at it glow! It's shining so brightly in the dark, like a little green alien. This is so cool. Imagine playing with this in your room at night. It's like holding a little piece of a star. Let's make some glowing shapes. I'm going to make a glowing ball and bounce it. This is definitely my new favorite. Science is so magical, isn't it? The glowing powder is phosphorescent, which means it can store light and then release it slowly over time, making it glow. Okay, lights back on. Now that we've explored all our slimes, let's try some fun challenges. First challenge, the biggest slime bubble competition. I'm going to use the pink slime because it was super stretchy. Remember our technique? Stretch it out really thin and wide, and then fold it over to trap a giant pocket of air. Ready, set, go. Whoa, that was a huge bubble. It was almost as big as a pillow. Did you see that? It's all about getting the slime super thin without making any holes. Let's see if we can beat that. We'll try again. Stretch. Stretch, careful, and fold. Pop. Awesome! This is a great game to play with friends. You can see who can make the biggest bubble or the loudest pop. For our next challenge, let's get creative. We're going to use all our slimes, including our new mixed color one, to create a slime masterpiece. It's like painting, but with slime. I'm going to lay out a flat base with the galaxy purple. This will be our night sky. Now, let's take some of the glow-in-the-dark green and make some stars. Just little dots all over our purple sky. And for a big, beautiful planet, we can use our new lavender pink slime swirl. Let's place it right in the middle. Look at our slime solar system. It's a work of art. You can make anything you can imagine. You could make a rainbow, a field of flowers, or even your favorite cartoon character. The best part about slime art is that when you're done, you can squish it all together and start all over again. Now for a super fun sensory game. Let's hide something inside the slime and try to find it. I have these small plastic beads here. I'm going to take a big glob of the pink slime and hide one of the beads deep inside. Let's squish it all up so we can't see it. Okay, the bead is hidden. Now, using only our sense of touch, we have to find it. I'm going to close my eyes and just feel around in the slime. I can feel the squishy texture and the little bits of glitter. Wait, I think I feel something. It's small and hard. Yep, I found it. This is a great way to explore your sense of touch. It feels so funny to search for things inside the gooey slime. You can use beads, small waterproof toys, or even plastic letters to practice spelling. Just make sure whatever you use is safe and won't get lost. Before we finish, I want to show you one last cool trick. It's called the slime waterfall. For this, you need a slime that's not too sticky, like our galaxy slime. You just hold it up high and let gravity do the work. Watch as it slowly drips and stretches all the way down to the table. It creates these long, beautiful strands that look just like a waterfall. It's so relaxing to watch. It moves so slowly and gracefully. It's almost like a slow-motion movie. This is a great way to calm down and just enjoy the amazing texture and movement of the slime. Look how the light catches the glitter as it drips down. It's absolutely mesmerizing. You could watch this all day. Wow, what an incredible slime-filled day we've had. We stretched, we popped, we mixed colors, we made it glow, we created art, and we even played games. Slime is so versatile and there are endless ways to play with it. It's a wonderful way to be creative, learn a little bit about science, and have a ton of fun. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and exploring the wonderful world of slime. I had so much fun and I hope you did too. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you love slime, and make sure you subscribe to our channel and have the notification bell turned on so you never miss a new adventure. We have so many more fun videos coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.